Hey everybody, Craig Howie here of Howie Guitars, and we're on the last day of the Phoenix build for the St. Vrain Valley School District Mobile Lab. And we have the guitar all finished, the buffing is done, everything is ready to go. The last thing we need to do now is build it up and make it a true instrument. So here we go. Alright, first thing to do is put the tuning machines on here. Every hole is already drilled from when we did the dry build. Now we're putting the ground wire in, and then the post that will hold it in here, that's where the ground will connect. So here's how I wire my guitars without having to cut into the back of the hatch. I fish wire through, and then I pull the pieces through to the places where they're supposed to go so I can put the nut on and get them in the right place. And I'll do the same thing with each component here. There we go. Got all three of those in. I put the jack in. Got to put the plate on it first. This will hold it on top of the guitar. So I'm fishing it through the hole for the jack, and then that plate holds it on the side of the guitar. Screw it in here. There we go. Okay, putting the switch in. Gotta fish it through. It's not too hard to get through. It's a fairly big hole. Okay, these are the pickups, and I gotta put them inside the pickup rings using a spring. The spring's gonna help me adjust the height of the pickups. So there they are, ready to go, ready to be put in. Okay, here's my spaghetti mess. Here we go. So I'm gonna very slowly get all of the ground wires together here and get them soldered and twisted together here. So there we go with that set up. Now we got to put the right wires together. The reds together, the blues together, the yellows together, and so on. And finally, we're ready to put the pickups in. Get the hots wired to the right place and the grounds to the ground and put them in. So there they go. They're put in. Now it's time to put the bridge back on. There's the bridge. I'm going to get the tailpiece here. Go. Tailpiece on. Time to put the strings on. There we go. So now I put the strings on first before I connect these, because I want to line them up perfectly so that the pole pieces are right underneath the strings. Okay, now it's just details. We're putting the truss rod cover on, putting the strap pins on, one on the back here, putting the knobs on, putting the switch tip on. Now I got to set it up. Got to make sure the neck is level like I want it. Got to adjust the height of the pickups with that spring. Got to check the action of the strings. I'll adjust it with the nut here. Then I got to do the intonation here. And finally she's done. There's the guitar ready to be played. Day 13 is done. And now it's the most exciting part. Get to actually play the guitar.